Ooh, what are you doing there, Adrian? Oh, picking up the snow and packing it. There sure's a lot of snow today, huh? No, Santa already came. Yeah. Can you show me how to jump in the snow? Oh. Where are your feet?
Oh, there, right
Right there?
I stop it now.
Whoa! Did you get it on your face?
Wipe it off.
Oh, okay. Let's wipe your face off. Oh. Be careful. Are you climbing the snow mountain? Why don't you come down here and show me how to make a snow angel? Can you do that for me?
I made it big one.
Okay. You have to move your legs too. Oh, good job. Let's see that snow angel.
I am. Here, Mommy.
Beautiful.
Oh my God, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Here.
Take it off.
Okay.